Alright guys, so we're probably going to do the most touristy type activity that we're doing the whole trip, but it was the best way to do it. So we want to see Halong Bay. It's about an hour and a half from Hanoi. It's coastal Vietnam and the north, I guess you would call it the northeast. And we've taken a cruise through Amethyst Cruise. It was about $70 a person, but they're going to take us on a boat, let us visit Halong Bay, and then there's some caves in the area that we're going to show you guys, which we get to row or kayak through. And there's also a point that you can hike up to. So there's a couple aspects to the cruise where you're getting to see a few things. But yeah, we're excited about checking that out. Ashton's rallying, day 2. She's still feeling a little under the weather, but she doesn't want to miss this cruise, obviously, so she's making it happen. As we left the bustle of Hanoi behind, the ride gave us a glimpse into another side of Vietnam. Small rural towns passed by our window, with rivers winding through fields and farmers working the rice paddies that stretch toward the horizon. Life here feels different than back home in America. Simple activities bring people joy, there's a strong work ethic in everything you see, and the people are welcoming, even if sometimes a little more direct than we're used to. The further we drove, the more the landscape opened up, offering a peaceful contrast to the city. Ashton managed to sneak in a 2-hour nap, still under the weather, but determined to make the most of the day. We're here. Alright guys, so we're here at Halong Bay, Vietnam. About a 2-hour bus ride in from Hanoi. They picked us up this morning, brought us in. And we're going to be taking a short cruise for the day. I think it goes from about 7 a.m. They picked us up at like 6:45, so I guess it's like 9 to 5 type thing. But they say expect this to take pretty much all day. They'll drop us back off in Hanoi around 7 or 8. Alright guys, we're leaving the harbor in Halong Bay, Vietnam. And we're getting like some type of introduction to the cruise, but we don't speak Vietnamese, so we're not sure what's going on, but it looks great, looks awesome. All the cool boats. Ashton's trying to survive. I think this would be the epitome of luxury today, guys. We've been roughing it. We got some pretty inexpensive Airbnbs, little one-room studios, and just been doing a lot on foot. Today we're getting this beautiful boat tour. We even have a pool on our boat, so if we want to do a little swimming, we can. There's restrooms on board, a buffet. Again, this was about $70 for a whole day to come out here and cruise. They're going to take us to a beach. They're going to let us kayak. There's also a cave that we can hike up to. Welcome to Halong Bay. It's beautiful. Look at these limestone formations everywhere. Just incredible. So I'm going to show you guys Kissing Chicken Rock. That's the Kissing Chicken, very famous. It's like Oh, I do see it, yeah. They fed us. They opened the buffet. And we've got all sorts of goodies. Mantis shrimp. I've never tried mantis shrimp, so I'm really excited to give that a try. Sweet potato, spring rolls, sushi. There was some fried oyster, rice. A lot of other good looking things too. Alright guys, here's the captain of the boat. Hey! The captain! Nice, very good driving.
Very good.
You drive very well. So you guys got to see meet the boat captain. So for the passengers that want to stay, they're going to pull the boat back out into the harbor. And then me and Ashton, we're going to go hike up there, take a look at some caves. So there's a rock formation shaped like a lady, and the legend is she was a fairy.
And the fishermen lived together in this cave.
But then what happened? He left.
One day the fishermen did not come back, and so she cried, and then all the cool water was there, and then she turned into stone.
So guys, it's probably hard to tell, but this cavern is huge.
This cave for the local people stay here when they cannot come back to the land. Yeah, when a storm or typhoon coming. Yeah, and after 1994, this cave for visitor and needed by ticket to visit. Yeah. So do you know this cave named Surprising? Surprising cave.
Surprising.
Did you know?
Yes. Ask you about what?
What's the surprise?
I'm so surprised.
So there are two main reasons. The first reason, this cave totally 10,000 square meter. Yeah, and in high season, this cave welcome totally 1,000 visitors every day. Yeah, and the second reason, this cave have a lot of beautiful shape of beautiful stalactite and stalagmite.
Watch your head. Wow. So this is the third chamber in this cave. The first one was pretty small, the second one was pretty big. This third one is even bigger, guys. If y'all come to Halong Bay, you need to check this cave out. It's amazing. So we couldn't pass up showing you Sung Sot Cave, but we're filming on the GoPro 13 and low light performance isn't its strong suit. It still gives you a glimpse of just how massive and impressive this cave really is. How was it?
Really cool. It was huge.
There's Ashton up there. Accidentally left her. I got a few steps down. Well, we finished the cave hike up in that huge sandstone mountain there. I guess these are called mountains.
Cave in the rock under the water.
So you got limestone formations out here that make up Halong Bay, and we're going to be taking one of these paddle boats. They call them kayaks, but I call that a paddle boat thing. And they're going to paddle us through a cave. After wrapping up our paddleboat tour at Luon Cave, we loaded back onto the cruise and made our way to Titov Island. It was a nice stop, though a bit crowded. Still, it was a good place to pause for a while, and the little stands with drinks and souvenirs added to the experience. Enjoyed the beach. We've done all the things, and they brought us snacks. And we're leaving Halong Bay. We're heading back, so we'll have a nice cruise back.
We had a great day. I rallied through the migraine.
She rallied. So we
I
just
feel so much better.
Ashton's rallied all day and starting to feel a little bit better.
Thankfully.
We just finished up the Halong Bay Cruise again.
It was beautiful. Highly recommend.
Amethyst Cruises out of Halong Bay. Beautiful, amazing, worth every penny. Highly recommend it. Hope you guys enjoyed that episode. We're gonna head back to Hanoi and get some pho or something like that for dinner. After the cruise, we hopped back on a similar bus for the 2-hour ride to Hanoi, and they dropped us off right near our Airbnb where the day began. We'll drop a link in the description to the Amethyst Cruise if you want to check it out for yourself. For dinner, we went with something simple and comforting: spring rolls and steaming bowls of pho. Pho is everywhere in Hanoi, and with Ashton still recovering, it was the perfect comfort food to end the night. Good news, she's feeling much better now, and in the next episode, we'll be back on scooters exploring. We're going to visit the Temple of Literature, which dates back to 1070 as Vietnam's first national university, and then grab lunch at the famous and iconic train street. Be sure to subscribe, you don't want to miss it.